with random tech tutorials, and thank you so much for checking out today's content. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn on Spotify's Crossfade feature. Now what this feature does allows for seamless playback between tracks, so allow you to keep the party going with no breaks. This is one of the reasons why I love Spotify over Apple Music. So you guys like when I jump right into it, so let's go ahead and get started. So of course the first thing you want to do is open up your Spotify app, and when that comes up, you're going to locate the gear icon on the top right hand corner, which is your settings menu. So we're going to press that, and once we do that, we're going to notice playback is 3 from the top, and we're going to press the playback option. So as you can see at the top is Crossfade, and you have this slider here where you can adjust when the next song is going to play. And at 12 seconds, it means that when a song is playing, 12 seconds before it's over, the next song will gradually start playing as that song fades out. So this is a great feature, like I said, to keep the party going, or whatever you're doing. It just keeps all the vibes going smoothly. But anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this particular tutorial, and if you did, please let me know in the comments below. Also subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell, so you're notified every time I drop a new random tutorial. Also like the video, that helps us out a lot, helps us reach more viewers like you. Anyways, thank you so much for checking out the video. Until next time, y'all take care, stay humble and proceed.